This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video.
So this is the box. It does work with your Apple and also Android devices. All right, let's show you guys everything in the box. You got your manual, power for charging, so you got your power supply cable, the whole unit inside here. So we're gonna go ahead and pull that out. So here's the cleaner itself. You can access your filter bay, and as you guys can see, very large filter. So very, very large, which is really nice. That's something you definitely want in a robot pool cleaner. Take a look on the other side here. Second, very large filter. Love that. So there's going to be a couple things here. Make sure you pull out all the styrofoam that is blocking the unit, and I recommend you just simply looking over the whole unit. There's probably going to be one on each side. Yes, so pull out the styrofoam. That just blocks it from moving. But as you can see here, the brushes are actually rubber, which is nice so they don't damage your pool. So you got the rubber. Same on the other side, rubber. So a nice track. So the track definitely looks like it's actually not that hard to replace. So if you ever have to replace your track, looks pretty simple. So starting this is not that hard. You press and hold your power button, then you do start for standby mode. You can do floor only, wall only, overall. So pretty nice. I like the whole unit and setup here. Again, you can have this setting and mount it anywhere that you want. Well, it's pretty nice. We can turn it off here, but to turn it on, it's not that hard. Let's see. Shows you your battery level in here as well. You guys hear that? So you can actually hear the unit turn on.